Stephen, do you take Lindsey to be your wife?
I do.
Lindsey, do you take Stephen to be your husband?
I do.
Lindsey, you're killing it. You look stunning. Steve, you're doing good. Hang in there, buddy.
You have been there to celebrate all of your friends' moments, and I'm so glad we could be here to celebrate you and your now husband.
Let's cheers the love. It will change your life in a moment and bring you greater happiness than anything could. I love you both. Congratulations to the bride and groom.
Stephen, you may kiss your bride.